This tutorial will provide a demonstration of how to use the Sensatus APIs to add investment and income transactions, calculate tax liabilities, and generate tax return forms if needed for the HMRC. To begin, create a user profile. Now create a ledger within that profile called Personal Account. Add a transaction to the ledger to buy 50,000 shares in Vodafone at £1 each on the 1st of January 2022. Now add a Vodafone dividend of 5 pence per share on the 1st of February 2022. Lastly, add a transaction to sell 50,000 shares in Vodafone at £1.50 each on the 1st of March 2022. You can now use the Taxation CGT API to check if the client has to make a capital gains tax return. If a tax return is required, the reason for having to do so will be listed within the response in the Tax Return Reasons section. If the client has no other capital gains tax liabilities, you can use the SA108 API to generate the HMRC SA108 capital gains tax return form. Alternatively, use the Supporting Calculations API to generate the information required for the client to prepare their capital gains tax returns. Use the Income Tax API to enable the client to complete their HMRC SA100 income tax return.